Achieving glowing skin is something everyone strives for, but with so many serums on the market, it can be overwhelming to find the right one. In today's video, we're reviewing 5 of the best serums for glowing skin that can help brighten, hydrate, and restore your complexion. Whether you have dry, dull, or uneven skin, these products offer effective solutions to achieve that radiant glow. Let's dive into each one to help you find your perfect match. Kicking off our list at number 1, Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. The Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair is one of the most iconic serums in the skincare industry. Designed to repair and regenerate skin overnight, this serum is a powerhouse for improving skin texture and providing a radiant glow. With its patented Chronolix CB technology, it works to restore the skin's natural rhythm, reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Key features: Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Serum is packed with a blend of powerful ingredients like hyaluronic acid and peptides that work together to hydrate and nourish the skin. The serum's advanced technology helps repair damage caused by environmental stressors, making it ideal for anyone dealing with tired, dull, or stressed skin. Its lightweight, non-greasy texture ensures it absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a heavy feeling. Benefits and usage: the main benefit of the Advanced Night Repair Serum is its ability to boost skin's radiance while tackling signs of aging. It enhances the skin's natural barrier, replenishing moisture levels and promoting a youthful glow. To use, apply a few drops onto clean skin in the evening and gently pat it into the skin, allowing it to absorb fully before following up with your moisturizer. With consistent use, you'll notice smoother, more hydrated, and radiant skin. Usability: Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair is highly versatile and can be used by all skin types, including sensitive skin. Its gentle formula ensures it won't clog pores or cause irritation, making it an ideal choice for daily use. The sleek, dark glass bottle comes with a dropper for easy application and precise dosing, so you get just the right amount every time. The serum has a subtle, pleasant fragrance and absorbs quickly without leaving any residue. Durability: this serum lasts a long time, thanks to its concentrated formula. The 1-ounce bottle will typically last about 2 to 3 months with daily use. The advanced technology helps ensure that you're seeing results over time, which makes it a worthwhile investment for those serious about improving their skin's appearance. The durable packaging also protects the serum from light exposure, keeping it effective for longer periods. In the second spot, we have Drunk Elephant C-Firma Fresh. Drunk Elephant's C-Firma Fresh Day Serum is a vitamin C-based formula designed to provide instant radiance and long-term skin benefits. This powerful serum works to brighten dull skin, reduce pigmentation, and protect against environmental damage with its potent combination of antioxidants, including vitamin C, ferulic acid, and pumpkin ferment extract. Key features: the C-Firma Fresh Serum stands out due to its high concentration of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant known for its skin-brightening properties. It also contains ferulic acid, which enhances the effectiveness of vitamin C and helps protect the skin from free radical damage. The addition of pumpkin ferment extract promotes exfoliation, leaving skin feeling smoother and looking brighter. The formula is free from essential oils, silicones, and fragrances, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: Drunk Elephant's C-Firma Fresh Serum works to combat signs of aging while visibly brightening the skin. It helps fade dark spots and pigmentation, leaving the skin with a youthful glow. To use, apply a few pumps of the serum to your face and neck after cleansing and before moisturizing, ideally in the morning. With consistent use, you'll notice brighter, more even-toned skin that looks radiant and refreshed. Usability: this serum is easy to incorporate into your daily routine, and its lightweight, non-greasy texture makes it suitable for all skin types, including oily and sensitive skin. The airtight packaging ensures that the ingredients remain fresh and potent, preserving the effectiveness of the serum. The dropper applicator makes it easy to control the amount of product, ensuring that you use the perfect amount every time. Durability: Drunk Elephant's C-Firma Fresh Serum is quite potent, so a little goes a long way. The 1-ounce bottle will typically last about 2 months with daily use. The packaging is designed to preserve the integrity of the product, keeping it effective throughout its lifespan. The serum doesn't require refrigeration, and it's recommended to be used within 6 months for optimal results after opening. Coming in at number 3 is the Sunday Riley Good Genes. Sunday Riley's Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment is a multifunctional serum that helps exfoliate, brighten, and plump the skin. Packed with lactic acid, it works to gently exfoliate dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion. It's especially effective for anyone dealing with dullness, fine lines, and uneven skin texture. Key features: the key ingredient in Sunday Riley Good Genes is lactic acid, an AHA, alpha-hydroxy acid, that gently exfoliates the skin. It also contains licorice extract, which brightens and evens out the skin tone. The serum is enriched with squalane and prickly pear extract, which hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. The formula is cruelty-free, and it's free from parabens and sulfates, making it safe for daily use. Benefits and usage: the primary benefit of Good Genes is its ability to exfoliate the skin without causing irritation, leaving it smoother and more radiant. It also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and hyperpigmentation over time. To use, apply a thin layer of the serum to clean skin in the morning or evening, depending on your routine, and follow up with a moisturizer. With regular use, your skin will appear more even, hydrated, and glowing. Usability: Good Genes is suitable for all skin types, but those with sensitive skin should start with less frequent use to avoid irritation. The lightweight, gel-like texture absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. The packaging is user-friendly, with a pump dispenser that makes it easy to control the amount of product you use. The serum has a subtle scent, which dissipates quickly after application, leaving your skin fresh and glowing. Durability: the serum's potency means that a little goes a long way, so the 1-ounce bottle should last around 2 to 3 months with daily use. Since it is an exfoliating serum, it's important to follow up with sunscreen during the day, as your skin may be more sensitive to the sun. Over time, you'll notice smoother, more radiant skin with continued use of Good Genes. Taking our 4th spot is Vichy Mineral 89. Vichy's Mineral 89 is a hydrating and fortifying serum designed to strengthen the skin's barrier while providing an instant boost of hydration. It's formulated with 89% Vichy volcanic water, which is rich in minerals and antioxidants, helping to protect the skin from environmental stressors while maintaining moisture balance. Key features: Vichy Mineral 89 contains Vichy volcanic water, which helps to strengthen the skin's natural defenses and boost hydration. The serum is also formulated with hyaluronic acid, which provides lasting hydration and plumps the skin. The lightweight, gel-textured formula absorbs quickly and leaves the skin feeling fresh and hydrated without any greasy residue. It's free from parabens, fragrances, and alcohol, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the main benefit of Mineral 89 is its ability to hydrate and fortify the skin's barrier, which helps it better withstand environmental stressors like pollution and harsh weather. It also provides a radiant glow by maintaining moisture balance. To use, apply a few drops of the serum to your face and neck after cleansing and before moisturizing. Use it daily for best results, especially in the morning for a refreshing start to your skincare routine. Usability: this serum is ideal for those with dehydrated or sensitive skin, as it's lightweight and soothing. The gel texture makes it easy to apply, and it absorbs quickly into the skin without any stickiness. The glass bottle is sleek and provides a generous amount of product, ensuring that you get long-lasting results. The formula is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, making it suitable for all skin types. Durability: Vichy Mineral 89 is highly concentrated, so you only need a few drops per application. A 1-ounce bottle should last approximately 2 to 3 months with regular use. The formula remains effective over time, providing ongoing hydration and skin protection. It's also easy to incorporate into your existing skincare routine, making it a great addition for long-term use. And finally, at number 5, we have Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum. Caudalie's Vinoperfect Radiance Serum is a brightening serum that works to correct dark spots and uneven skin tone while enhancing overall radiance. Formulated with viniferine, a natural ingredient derived from grapevine sap, this serum helps to brighten the skin, reduce hyperpigmentation, and give your complexion a luminous glow. Key features. The key ingredient in Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum is viniferine, which is known for its brightening and anti-dark spot properties. It also contains olive squalane and chamomile extract, which hydrate and soothe the skin. The serum is free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, providing instant hydration and radiance. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of this serum is its ability to correct uneven skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots, leaving the skin glowing and more even. To use, apply a few drops to the face and neck after cleansing, morning and evening, before your moisturizer. With regular use, the skin becomes brighter, smoother, and more radiant. Usability. This serum is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, due to its gentle, natural ingredients. The pump dispenser makes it easy to control the amount of product you use, and the serum absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. It's also fragrance-free, which makes it ideal for those with fragrance sensitivities. Durability. Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum has a concentrated formula, so a little goes a long way. The 1-ounce bottle will last around 2 months with daily use. The packaging protects the formula from light, ensuring the product remains effective over time. It's an investment in achieving glowing, even-toned skin that pays off with consistent use. Achieving glowing skin starts with finding the right serum that works for your skin type and concerns. Whether you're looking to brighten, hydrate, or fight dark spots, these 5 serums offer some of the best options available. By incorporating any of these into your daily skincare routine, you can enjoy radiant, healthy skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more reviews and skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to glowing, healthy skin.